Month of May, the sweetest month in the whole calendar. Once again, welcome back to Dr. Mommy B, and today's video I'm showing you my May bullet journal setup. Month of May, according to Gregorian calendar, is named as Maya, the goddess of springtime and growth. The gentle warmth of the month caused flowers to blossom, crops to sprout, and people to dance. In ancient days, children made garlands from greenery and participated in joyful celebrations all over the world on the first day of May. The first day of May itself is International Labour Day. Then comes the Anti-Tobacco Day, Hypertension Day, Asthmatic Day, World Firefighters Day, Thalassemia Day, and then World Red Cross Day, all the days. According to American calendar, Mother's Day comes in May. Whether to take her for a dinner or make her a cake or a handmade card or give gift. Do you know what she wants the most? She wants the most is surrounded by love and care of her family and friends. So anyway, make it possible. May is the birth month of mine, my father's, my mother's, my sister's, and then comes our anniversary and my parents' anniversary. So far for us it is the best month for celebration. But this time my only birthday wish would be the whole world should come out of this pandemic as early as possible. In this May bullet journal setup, for the whole monthly view, I have given a small monthly view in the front page. Followed by a central layout, I have given 4 goals, tasks to do, expenses, learning matters. I'm having few books in my list to be completed. So I have given a small column for books to be read. I have not switched on my Kindle for a while, so I have to keep a track on that also. This time I have included a new session in my diary, that is a line a day. I usually write a lot about single days, but this time I need a single line which represented a single day. There is no bullet journal for me without a meal planner. So this is the overall view of my meal planner for this May. It is a central layout. This time I have chosen a constellation theme along with lot of stars and its connections, the moon and sun all together. And the next page is, as I told you, all the birth dates and anniversaries are coming in this month. I have given separate slots for all those dates so that I can do some kind of planning and I can note down the memories too. The weekly view is much vast because I have a lot to do and a lot to plan. Then comes my habit tracker. As usual, I have given importance to my 4 habits which should be tracked on. As my quote says, stay magical, enjoy single second of your life. So let's make this page even more cuter and more adorable. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And my next page layout is all about an ideal routine, because I had an ideal routine but now I have to check on Nilo's schooling and baby's routine also. So I am trying to figure out a new routine for me. And at last it's time for some social media activities, and I have few stories to put on. So this is my story planner. And here comes one more reminder for all of us, including me: smile more and worry less, because life is less and life has to go on. In between, I am adding one more page, that is my brain dump, because lot of ideas get popping out whenever I see something, or whenever I go out, or whenever I watch TV. So I have to note it all down, because don't want to waste any of those cute and big ideas. So that's all about the May calendar. So guys, world's favorite season is spring, and that's in May. So all things are possible in spring and in May. Wishing everyone a happy journey to May. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe.